I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your environment meets Firebase requirements. Android Studio and a compatible Gradle plugin matter. Once ready, open the Firebase console and create a project, then add an Android app entry using your exact package name so configurations match. After registering, download Google Services, JSON, and drop it into your app/folder. Make sure to sync the project so Gradle picks up the file. This step wires Firebase metadata into your app and prevents later mismatches. Next, edit Gradle files so Firebase becomes active at build time. In the project level build, Gradle add the Google Services class path, then in the app level build, Gradle apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom. Use Firebase BOM for consistent dependency versions, or add explicit Firebase Analytics, Auth, or Firestore libraries you need. Make sure your compile SDK and target SDK meet library minimums and Android X is enabled. Otherwise, you'll hit runtime or build conflicts when finally, initialize Firebase and confirm it's working. Usually, Firebase initializes automatically via the Google Services plugin. If not, call Firebase app. Initialize app, this, in your application on Create so the SDK boots. Run the app and watch Logcat for initialization messages, then verify data or analytics appear in the Firebase console. If something goes wrong, make sure the package name in Google Services JSON matches your app ID, that Gradle sync completed without errors, and that dependency versions are compatible to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.